Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at beauty products with an expert eye. Let's talk about something that might have slipped under your radar, but is making waves in the skincare community. The Nécessaire The Body Retinol Firming Repair Serum. Retinol. It's one of those ingredients that's often talked about in the skincare world. But what does it actually do for your body? In a world where we are constantly bombarded with anti-aging products, it's easy to lose track of what truly delivers results. This is where Nécessaire comes in, offering a retinol-infused body serum that promises to address wrinkles, fine lines, and crepiness, all while ensuring a smooth, youthful-looking skin texture. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. This body serum is formulated with 0.1% pure encapsulated retinol, which is known for its skin-renewing benefits, like increasing cell turnover and improving skin texture. What's interesting here is the inclusion of glycerin and vitamin B3, which complement the retinol's action by hydrating and soothing the skin. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving behind no sticky or greasy residue. For anyone who hates that heavy, slick feeling that some body lotions leave, this is a definite win. I used this as part of my evening routine for a couple of weeks, applying it right after showering to clean, slightly damp skin. The serum spread easily, and honestly, I was surprised by how fast it absorbed. There's no lingering film, just smooth, moisturized skin. It didn't irritate my skin, which can sometimes be a concern with retinol-based products. The texture is smooth and creamy, but never overwhelming. You can use it at night without worrying about getting it on your sheets or clothes. It truly dries down fast. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. Did it do what it claims? Over the course of several days, I noticed that my skin looked smoother, and some of the fine lines on my arms and legs appeared to soften. The key here is consistency. It's not an overnight miracle, but if you keep at it, you'll likely start seeing more of a difference in the texture and appearance of your skin. As for crepiness, it's a little early to tell if it's completely gone, but it certainly seems to have improved. The pros are pretty clear. It absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and provides noticeable hydration. The 0.1% encapsulated retinol is a great amount for body care, effective but gentle enough for sensitive skin. Plus, it's formulated without fragrance, parabens, silicones, and other potential irritants, making it a safer choice for those with sensitive skin or those who want to avoid unnecessary additives. On the flip side, the cons. While it is effective for improving skin texture, it may take a bit longer than you'd expect to see drastic changes, particularly in more stubborn areas like knees or elbows. Also, while the lightweight texture is a plus, some might find it a bit too minimal if you're used to richer, more occlusive body creams. Now let's talk about value for money. At 5.1 ounce, this serum is priced in the higher range for a body product. Is it worth it? If you're someone looking for targeted anti-aging treatment for your body, it's certainly an investment in the right direction. Retinol can be a game changer for texture and overall skin tone, but if you're just looking for hydration, there are other options out there at a lower price point. When comparing this to other body retinol treatments, Nécessaire stands out for its clean formulation. Many body serums out there use synthetic fragrances, silicones, and other fillers, which can irritate sensitive skin or disrupt the skin barrier. This product focuses on efficacy with a simple, effective ingredient list, which might make it a better choice if you have sensitive skin or are trying to avoid added chemicals. As for build quality and longevity, I'm impressed with how well the packaging holds up. It's a sturdy bottle that dispenses the right amount of product with each pump. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, so even with regular use, it should last a while. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're on the lookout for something more budget-friendly but still effective, there are options like Serum Retinol Body Lotion, which also offers a good balance of hydration and exfoliation at a lower price point. However, if you're looking for a clean B Corp certified brand, Nécessaire is a solid option. In conclusion, this Nécessaire, the Body Retinol Firming Repair Serum, is a solid performer for anyone looking to target body skin texture, fine lines, and crepiness, especially if you have sensitive skin or prefer clean beauty formulations. It may take some time to see the full results, but the gentle yet effective combination of retinol and hydrating ingredients makes it worth incorporating into your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description or comments below for the link to purchase this product. Have you used this serum or something similar? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.